River. Look at his belly. His belly's always hanging out. It's pretty hilarious. So I'm in the Meredith fifth wheel, I guess we'll call it, and I'm getting ready to lay the floor in the bathrooms. We decided to do different flooring in there because, like most homes or whatever, the flooring that's in the bathroom tends to be different than the main section of flooring. We'll see how it goes. I haven't done this type of flooring yet. They're like hexagons, I guess, maybe, I don't know. But so I'm gonna put these together. They kind of go like tile, but they're peel and stick like vinyl stuff. And you glue them to the ground and then you actually grout them. So I've never done them before, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll kind of walk you through it, and like everything else, you just kind of go for it. Figure it out as you go. So here we go. Alright, so first thing I just took care of was cleaning everything off. I cut out that piece because it kind of been pulled up, so to make sure it's nice and flat. And yeah, make sure it's nice and clean before I got started on it. So my favorite band, Pearl Jam, came out with their new album this week, or last Friday, and I can't stop listening to it. I recommend it to all of you. Come here, Riva.
Where's your phone? Go help.
Come on, you gonna help? Come here. Look, go like this. Can you do that? Good job. Yeah. Good boy. Pretty much it. Oh, my turn. Oh. Your turn. Use both hands. Oh, you gotta have the hammer too? Because it's hammer time. Huh?
Good helping.
Good job, bud. Oh, my turn? Thank you. Really good, River? So I'm getting ready to wrap it up for the day, and I'll flip it around and show you guys how far I got on the kitchen or bathroom floors. These things took some time, like laying tile. I guess it just takes a little time. Tomorrow we'll be filling in the tougher cuts. We'll see how this goes. I think these are going to be, I think it's going to be challenging, but I think it's going to be fun to figure out. It's amazing. I was like the worst math student ever, and yet so much of my job revolves around math. So weird. So let me flip it around. Yeah, look at all those fun things. So yeah, filling in these spaces are going to be super just take time and patience, and that's it. Then they have another bathroom, and it's the same flooring, and it's pretty much, it's all the tough spots too that I'll have to do tomorrow. So, wish me luck.
Oi! Now let me just flop this over you, please. Can I do
it? Back in the Meredith trailer for day 2 of, what am I doing? The bathroom flooring. There we go. Took me a second. And I'll kind of show you what I did do yesterday. When I left yesterday, I brought in all these bricks to lay all over the floor I put down, just to ensure that when it really sticks, it sticks really well, so that I don't have any issues with them starting to come up. So I did that in both the front and the back bathroom, and right now I'll be continuing to work on that. I have all of the tough parts of it now, so I'll need to be cutting a lot of the pieces and shaping them to get them to fit around, the shower and the countertops and all of that stuff, or the counters. So yeah, so that's what I'll work on today. So my mom just came out to the fifth wheel and gave me this cool thing she had gotten in Costa Rica. It says Pura Vida, which means pure life. If you've been to Costa Rica, that's definitely what they they promote on. I guess it kind of goes over, and it works as like a little bit of a mask. So that's super sweet. In our county, we were just told that if you're going out, you should be wearing a mask. So I think I'll keep it here. Keep the beards safe too. I am down here, and I'm going to start figuring out, marking pieces to go around the circle sides and all of that stuff. So one thing I did, because this is so dark, I grabbed a white pencil from the kids, colored pencil. Kind of just am going to take my time and design out the different curves and these cuts as they go. So let's see how long it takes me to get them all right. I walked all the way to the shop, which is like 30 feet, maybe. Pieces like this and projects like this that have to be like trimmed and cut, I'm super fortunate. I was a motorcycle welder fabricator for a long time, and the skills that job taught totally transformed into the ability to do these trailers and kind of be able to figure out trim pieces and things like that with just things I'd learned from being in that metal shop and having to trim metal and pieces to fit certain things and angles and all those things, and templates, learning how to do templates quickly, and so that job really transferred over to these things in a way that I never would have imagined, but am so thankful for. This is probably my favorite tool in the shop, man. This thing comes in so handy. I love it so much. Found it on Craigslist, and I had to drive all the way to LA to buy it, but it's old and it works perfectly, and I love it and use it constantly. Alright, I'm gonna see, I didn't trim it as far as I usually would. So it fits snug in there, which is good. So now I'm able to really trim it up So I'm able to like take the pencil and actually run it along using the edging of, you know, this. I'll kind of be able to guide a line that's super accurate for this. I want to do this section really well because I'm not going to be able to put a border up. So, because it's a curve, that would be pretty tough. So I'm just going to take my time and make sure these pieces fit around it really well so they look super good. So this will probably take some time, but I'd rather take time and make it look really sweet than rush through it and have it look terrible. So there we go. Alright, so that's what I'll be doing to finish off the rest of these pieces. I'll show you when it's all done. Hey, I think it's a little tight. Hold on. There we go. Ready to go check out the flooring? Say hi. Smile. This way. Let's go. River. Look at his belly. His belly's always hanging out. Pretty hilarious. Oh, so we're walking over to the fifth wheel. Finally got the flooring all finished up in the bathroom. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, let me flip it around for us. Oh man, finally. These are some serious little cuts and angles. Looks good. I mean, I guess I'm complimenting myself, but glad it's done. Would that be a cool picture right there? Should we show everybody the mess you just made? Doesn't look too concerned about it. Uh-oh. I guess really it's still just my fault since I totally play with the bag of crap. Did a good job. Oh, now you want to get down and play more? Another day of working on the bathroom flooring. Hopefully today I'll be able to get all the pieces laid and grouted up. That's the goal. So we'll see. First, I have to pick up the mess that River made for me yesterday. So I'll do that now. Getting ready to get started on the floor. Let me show you what I'm going to be starting with. Boom. So most of this little bathroom's done. So it shouldn't take me too long to get all the filled in pieces and then start on the grouting process. So let's do it. So I've decided to actually move up to the first bathroom. I finished laying the tile in yesterday, and I'm gonna go and grout it, and then I'll come back to this one and finish that up while the grout is drying in the other one. So let me move my way to the other side. So I'll flip it around and show you what I'm using. For grouting, you need a sponge, water, that thing that puts the grout in, that thing right there, and then the grout. So it's vinyl tile grout because these are vinyl pieces that I laid in there. That stuff. So yeah, I'll get after it. be installing the flooring in the bathroom. I'm super psyched on how it turned out. I think it looks really good. And I love that it looks just like tile, but it's not tile. So the ability for the trailer to move around and have it not, you know, harm the tiles or crack them or anything, you know, I think it's a perfect combination. So I'll walk in and show you how it turned out. Boom, there it is, all grouted. Grout sat overnight, so it's nice and hard. Looks good. Yeah, so stoked with how it turned out. So there it is.